2020 Scat Pack Hellraiser, my new favorite color by far. Right, look at that thing. So, customer wanted an air intake. He didn't like the stock one that came on the car. Nobody really does because they're garbage. So we went ahead and got him the AFE Stage 2 Momentum intake. You can see much bigger filter on the inside there compared to what the factory has. Now all the air gets sucked up from the bottom. It's completely encased, so there's no hot air from the engine getting in or anything like that. So it's just a couple of clamps here and there, change the sensor, change the vacuum hose,